Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to on eye comfort in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to on guys your eye comfort mode setting in your Realme phone, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on eye comfort mode in our Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, now let's see how to on eye comfort in our Realme phone. So then first of all, open your phone setting guys. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your display and brightness setting. So guys tap here. Then guys scroll, then guys you can see your eye comfort. So guys you can on your eye comfort from here, and guys you can use your eye comfort setting from here guys. Cool, warm guys, color, temperature guys you can use from here guys. Or you can adjust black and white, you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to on eye comfort mode in our Realme phone. After all guys you can see this type of screen color setting, and guys you want to off, so guys you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on eye comfort in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now guys we will return guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.